Hey Sade, I'm feeling a little off today, but with you turn me on.
Oh my gosh, babe, I'm blushing.
No, I'm not flattering you. I'm just telling you the truth.
Babe, stop
Hey,
it.
are you a traffic ticket?
No, why?
Yeah, because you have fine written all over you.
Oh my gosh, babe, you play too much. You're the best.
No, look at him, babe. I'm for real. I'll catch a grenade for you.
Eh? Oh, God of Lambrusco. God of Hennessy, Kilos and Shinopella. Eh? Mr. Grenade Catcher. Mr. Boko Haram. You have joined ISIS. ISIS in training. So now you are catching grenade. But ordinary good grade you cannot catch.
Yes, do.
Ordinary C plus you cannot catch. You're only catching D and E up and down. And your name is not Desmond Elliott. So now you are lying to guess again. Oh yeah, give me the phone. Give me the phone.
Let me call you back.
If you hang up, your life will hang. Give me the phone, no Jerry. Sade. Oh, more of this must out. How are you? Your daddy in call? How's your mommy?
She's good too.
Do you have a dog?
Yes, sir.
You do? How's your dog?
Yeah, it's good.
Everybody is bare. That is good. The junior, my son, did he tell you that he spent 8 years in college and he still does not have a major?
No, sir.
He did not tell you that one. Did he tell you that it's a good for nothing, God forsaking, destiny delaying, bastardized bastard?
No, sir.
He did not tell you too. Sade, do you want your destiny to press pause?
No.
No, you don't. Sade. How many times did I call you?
3 times, sir.
Drop him like it's hot. She's cool.